Hey guys, this is Tom with First Coast Stinger. I wanted to show you the unboxing of the EBC yellow stuff brakes so you can see what's in the box. EBC brakes are great for track day. As you can see on here, it talks about an ultra high friction air mid formulation for brake improvement on heavy loaded vehicles or ultra fast street use and entry level track day use. The blue stuff, well, I'm not going to read all these to you, but you can screenshot that if you like. So these just came in. Alright, so in the box, we've got a nice little leaflet on, thank you for buying EBC brakes and information on the install and the warranty and such. Couple of stickers for some extra horsepower, another nice thank you and their social media information, more packaging stuff, and then take them out. Alright, so that's why they're called the yellow stuff. Alright, so you can see these pads are great for your track day. Got these for my Kia Stinger GT2. Alright, so when you order a box, somewhere around $200, $210, something like that for just the fronts. And this is what you'll get. Have a good one.